Hello everyone, Hippie Mágica here. Today I'm going to do a meditation for Suja, who asked on how to manifest your dream job while being jobless. So this is for you and for anyone who's struggling to manifest a job that is right for them, their health and their happiness. So we're gonna start by closing our eyes, taking a deep breath in for 3 and exhale for 3. One more time. Inhale for 3 and exhale for 3. Now, imagine that the universe up above has everything that you could ever ask for. But in order for you to receive this dream job, you need to let go of the old job that you currently have now that is blocking the new job from coming in. So what is it that you're feeling that is not allowing you to manifest this dream job, that is keeping you stuck, lonely, lost, unsupported? Feel the feelings. By feeling the feelings, you're getting ready to send them up to the universe through a beam of light. So you're sending all these feelings up through your head, up to the universe, so they can be used for something else. Their energy is not good or bad, it's just energy that is trapped in our bodies that we're releasing now. We're releasing this energy of jobless. We're releasing this energy of feeling alone. We're releasing this energy of feeling unsupportive. We're releasing this energy of hard, that life is hard, that a job has to be hard, that earning money is hard. We release this belief in this energy. Through this beam of light that is connected to the universe, we release this energy of hopelessness, that we're hopeless, that no one will hire us, that we're not good enough, that our skills are not good enough, that we are not good enough. We release this energy now. We release this energy that a job means a prison, that if we have a job, we're a slave to working hard, to sweating blood, into pretty much sacrificing our life and happiness. We release this belief and this energy now to the universe through this beam of light. And we release everything and every single energy and belief that is keeping us stuck, jobless, in a place that is toxic for our health, for our well-being. We release it now. We say now the Ho'oponopono prayer. I'm sorry for keeping myself stuck in this situation by trapping these feelings and not releasing them. Please forgive me, my higher self, for not choosing differently, for not choosing to release them, for not choosing to feel differently, for not choosing to ask for help. Please forgive me. Now I know better. Now I know that I am responsible for everything. I take full responsibility. Thank you. Thank you for always being there, universe. Thank you, my higher self, for always giving me what I ask for, unconsciously and consciously. And I love you. I love you because you're always there for me. You always give me exactly what I need and what I want to expand, to grow, and to reach my dreams. Thank you, and I love you. Now the universe is sending back through another beam of light, through our head, through our eyes, through our mouth, through our throat, through our chest, stomach, this beam of light full of love, full of freedom, full of abundance, of wealth, of our dream work, dream hours, dream pay, dream work is flowing through our bodies. every single cell is being filled with this energy of radiance, of abundance, of magic through our pelvis, through our legs, through our arms, through our elbows, through our knees, through our shins, through our feet, and through our fingers. Inhale for a count of 3. Lots of love. And exhale. Lots of love. Feel that this beam of energy of light going through our body that's filled every cell and inch of our body is filling it with the energy that you want to feel in your new job. You feel ease. You feel security. You feel love. You're filling yourself with respect, with honor, with trust, with loyalty, with abundance, with richness, with success, by simply being you, by simply sharing your truth, your creativity, by simply listening to your own intuition. You're being wealthy, you're being rich, you're being rewarded, you're being filled with gifts, with love. Now we seal our energy, we seal the top of our crown by saying thank you. Thank you, universe, for filling me with the most beautiful gifts of the universe, and always replenishing me with more love, more freedom, more success, more abundance, more of this dream job, dream clients, dream pay, dream feelings. Now we seal it, we thank the universe, and we can open our eyes now. How does it feel being in this feeling, this new attraction point, that you are already this dream job? You are already the energy that's going to attract your dream job, dream clients, dream lifestyle. Stay in this energy for as long as you can. And every day do this meditation again and again and again until this energy, this frequency you are in now, is the norm. It's just your neutral energy. Feeling of excitement, feeling of lightness, feeling of safety, of love, of positivity, of ease, of flow, of wealth, of abundance. But you need to practice it every single day. You cannot attract by thinking. You need to attract by being. You need to be this energy. Great job. Just do one meditation at a time. If you start to go back to the old energy of lack, of fear, of worry, of anxiety, do this meditation again, and it'll align you to your dream job. Much love, and I'll see you in the next meditation.